Hi guys, it's a girl Sasha and I'm back with another video for my channel. Now today I'm going to do some jerk pork. As you can see, this lovely pork, how it looks. Alright, so this is it coming straight from the butcher. I'm going to now show you the steps that I take in preparing this. First, I'm going to remove it from the bag. Normally I boil it, but this step that I'm taking this time, I'm just going to wash it with some water and then I place some salt and vinegar on it. Also, I'm going to pour some hot water on it. Just stay tuned and watch the video. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget, if you're new here, to subscribe. Also, you can leave me a comment. Thank you. So guys, this is where I take it out of the oven, pour on the jerk sauce on it and place it back inside the oven for another 20 minutes. Then this is the look that I get. It's so lovely, don't it? Man, I can tell you the taste was so good. You gotta try this. It was so delicious. This jerk pork looking so delicious, guys.